Bro, what a bad time to come in, bro. It's 3 in the morning right now, bro. The flight got delayed for an hour, so we're gonna see how long it takes to get out of immigration, bro. Hopefully it won't take that long. But we're back to Medellín. It's kind of cold right here. We're not in Medellín, we're in Rio Negro. Look at this, bro. It's the only advantage coming at this time, bro. There's nobody here. It's gonna take me like 5 minutes. So we're good. Look at it. No line, fellas. That's a good thing that the flight got delayed. Usually it takes you like 2 hours to get out of here, bro. Not today, it's gonna be quick. In less than 5 minutes, I was out of here, bro. That shit was quick. That's the only advantage of coming here 3 in the morning, bro. So look, the bag's not even out yet, bro. Look at this. That was quick. So we're good, bro. First time traveler, never change money in the airport, bro. They're gonna charge you, they're gonna tax you. So if you go do it, just do it like $100, because they're gonna tax you, bro. It's gonna be a lot of, it's gonna be expensive. Oh shit. It's 3 in the morning, bro. That's why you don't see nobody out here, bro. But usually, there's gonna be a lot of people saying, hey, you want a taxi, Don't get it, get them from outside. Let's see if I can find my boy. Gracias. Let me see where my boy's at. Ya, alguien me viene a recoger. ¿Ah? Sí, alguien, no, uno de taxi de usted. Sí, gracias. You guys could take the bus, it's like 20 mil. You can take a taxi, I think it's like a 110. You can take a shared taxi, which is like, I don't know, like 30 mil, bro. Bro, I don't got fucking Wi-Fi, bro. I don't got Wi-Fi, and I don't see my boy. Man, where this guy at, bro? Fuck. Ya me viene a recoger, papu. Todo bien, fue rápido. Guys, look, if you take this bus right here, it's gonna be $15.50 is like less than $5. If you do a shared taxi, it's gonna be like 27 mil, which is like $7. And directly is 110 mil, but it's gonna go up to 120. So 80 mil is like 20 bucks. So that's like 25 bucks. Just landed right now in Medellín, bro. It's 1 o'clock. I think we're finna get lucky. It's not that crowded right now, bro. Probably it'll take me like a half an hour. PM. Right now it's 1:25, so it took me 25 minutes to get from immigration. Not bad, bro. If you come around 7 o'clock, 5 or 6, it'll take you like 3 hours, bro, to get out. So either you come early or you come at night, but never come like at 6, 7. It's gonna take you forever, bro. Look, it's kinda empty. Remember, guys, never change money in the airport, bro. The exchange rate is not good, bro. So Yeah, bro. The bags are there already. You go outside right there and never change money there because they're gonna fuck you over, bro. It's kinda empty, bro. It's kinda empty, remember. Never change money there and never get the taxis right here, look. So, we'll see right now. I met some guys here and we're gonna take the bus, bro. We're gonna take the bus to San Diego. Let's see how it goes.
Te ayudo